Holy
Yeah, I know.
The Bulgarian Blair Witch Project. Here we go.
Look at these views. Some bonfile and some smokini at gradina na prietaukta mi. Zdrafti Nasichki, I'm Jamal, and today guys we are doing something a little bit special. As you can see, we are in the Rhodope Mountains in the south of Bulgaria, and we're checking out a place called the Wonderful Bridges, or the Marvelous Bridges. It's a natural rock formation that was created from a river, and I'll explain it all later, but we're just going to do a little bit of hiking, a bit of working out. And who am I with today? Who's with me? Is it Joanna? Is it Chris? No, it's someone totally new. Well, we haven't seen him for a few years. It's Andy. He is one of my best mates. He came all the way from
all the way from the UK.
All the way from the UK. Look at him with them big English arms. And yeah, anyway guys, we're just going to start hiking, and we'll see what happens. I know, it's a bit mental, isn't it, mate?
Well, the one up there was pretty good.
Yeah. Oh wow, okay. You're in for a treat, pal. Dude, are you ready? I think we're approaching it. Our picnic spot.
Holy
yeah, I know. Wow, dude. That's insane. Well, let me go over here and see what it looks like. Wow, as you... Dude, what a location, man.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's naturally made, it's naturally formed as well from a river.
This is insane.
I've never seen rock shaped like that. Dude, let's go down, man. Let's check it out. I'm actually not talking much because I'm kind of speechless. Like, I don't know what the fuck to say.
It's like a god's just punched a hole through a mountain.
Wow.
It's insane.
This is crazy, man. Look at... Oh, there's a little stream slash... What the fuck are we seeing, dude? What the hell is this? Dude, that's a good shot. I might take a picture of you in a bit, dude. Anyway, let's have a cheeky gander, a cheeky look. Wow. This is so good. Look at this view, man.
It's insane.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not talking much in this video, guys. This video is...
I'm hoping the video captures the scale of this place.
Yeah.
Like, this is massive. This is absolutely huge.
Oh, dude. I mean, look, just for scale, look at you in this. It's huge. Guess we're gonna keep going down to the water. Have a look. Wow. This was definitely worth the drive from Plovdiv, I'll tell you that, guys. Woo. Definitely also worth nearly snapping my ankle. How you doing? How you doing there, sir?
Spectacularly. Just got my running trainers on.
Oh yeah, they're pretty flat, right? Wow. What a place. Whee! There we go. Muscle bound.
British lad falls to his death.
Well, I'm gonna go this way. Whoa! Careful, mate. It's a bit rocky here, so be careful. Okay, be careful though, mate. Don't fuck your shit up. What did you just...
I went bald.
You idiot. Wow, look at this. Dude. Look at this here, man. This is crazy. There you go. The wonderful, wonderful bridges, man. Yeah, just go around there, I guess. So, we're going to try and traverse this. Woo. You made it? Bit wet. You made it good. Wow. Incredible. Epic. Oh yeah. Have a little explore, pal. I'll be over here. Actually, no, I'll look with you. Oh, is there something there?
It's like a little cone.
What? Sick. Careful, Andy obviously prepared with the right footwear for the job. You got this?
Yeah.
You sure? Is it worth me looking in?
Well, it was absolute darkness, basically.
Yo!
I don't know how far back it goes.
So guys, it's a bit hard to do this with a camera.
Right, check it this up. Teamwork. Tom Cruise at his finest, climbing big, strong boulders.
Well, I'm not very good at this whole
Right,
rock climb. Look at it
you got it?
crossing my legs. I'm pretty sure that's like not in the rule book. Okay. Oh, dude, it's just totally black. What the fuck?
Dude, dare go in.
Should there be a bear there?
Oh my
The
god.
camera won't pick anything up.
It's
No.
I don't know, it's picking up some stuff.
Should
It was
we get-
quite freaky. This is all sorts of Bulgarian curses down here.
1 second, pal. Let me help you out here.
We're about to get some torchlight. Hey, it goes on and on.
Okay, I guess we're not going to climb up that.
This is the Bulgarian Blair Witch Project. Here we go.
We survived. We made it out of the Blair Witch Project. And now we're going to continue to explore the flow of water. Oh Jesus, look up. So high. Epic, just epic, simply amazing. Guys, again, another example of the easily accessible, free, beautiful nature here. Wow. There you go.
You got this, mate. Yeah.
It's just a beautiful image, like a keyhole.
Right.
It's so incredibly beautiful.
I'm backing it. This is a huge god just fucking slamming his fist through.
There you go, confirmed, Andy confirmed.
Confirmed.
Created by God 15. Dude, this is exactly why I got the GoPro. Because try to do this with a normal camera.
No chance.
This is fucking wow hard. Look at these views, guys. Look at these views. Oh, nearly tripped. Be careful, Reese. We don't want to die today.
We came back to the actual path.
Whew. What the hell is this? Eh? People bring balancing stones. Wow, very cool. Another good shot. They're all good shots. Every time I say a good shot, you know what? It's time for a little run. See what we can find. Let's see what we can find in the nature. Look at that view. That view is ridiculous. Whew. Wow. Good. You always forget how high it is as well when you look up. Again, that view, simply epic. So now guys, we're going to do a cheeky little workout literally opposite the bridges. I mean, have you ever worked out in such an epic location?
No, man.
No. Amazing. So we're going to get some burpees, some push-ups, a bit of everything, guys. And yeah, enjoy. Time-lapse time. What's up, guys? We just finished our workout. We were over there, if you can see, on that other little ledge. Now we're at the panoramic zone where we did our intro, and look what we have. We have some sirene. We have role at vercha. Yeah, we have some eggs, yaitse. We have some bon filet and some smokini at gradina na prietaukta mi Joanna. She's nice. So, guys, it's a blessing, dude. Really, I'm very grateful.
100%, man. The workout was glorious. The weather's amazing. Time for some awesome food.
Incredible. I just can't. Fuck, man. Wow. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So we're going to enjoy this. And maybe we'll see you later. Maybe not. It depends if we keep recording. Peace. So, yeah, guys. That's it. You know, incredible time. As I said, enjoying the smokini, the meat, the roller, whatever it's called. But yeah, anyway, guys, remember, if you enjoyed this video, dislike it. I'm joking. Like it. Subscribe if you want. You know, fuck, I don't care. I'm joking. Subscribe, guys.
No subscribers by tomorrow.
If you want to see more of this hunky English Rose, leave a comment below.
Tell me to come back.
Tell him to come back to Bulgaria. Yeah, and he'll come and spend more time. Anyway, guys, yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Get yourself here. If you're anywhere near this part of Bulgaria, get yourself to the wonderful, marvelous bridges. Literally their name. They are wonderful. Peace. Anyway, bye. This is cringe.